But I do actually want to know about the comic books and the whole layout, I guess, of what it entailed inside of the whole package.
Oh yeah, we could talk about that.
Cool. And who do I have with me today?
My name is Dustin Porras. I'm a marketing manager here at PSA.
Amazing. So I actually posted and tweeted this. It went kind of viral. And Complex Sneakers posted my short little video I did on Ronnie and KITH collaboration with the ASICS team. I love ASICS so much. So I'm really excited that that was the brand he decided to go with on the whole theme of these Marvel comic books, which please do tell what came in each of the boxes, what released on which day. I know they're all sold out, which, how fast did these sell out actually?
Very quickly. Within the first few minutes of the show opening, we were selling them on Thursday and Friday, and it was a very hot item. We had a lot of people really excited at our booth, so yeah, they went like that.
Within a couple of minutes. How long do you think people waited in line to even attempt to try and get a pair?
Wow, when we did have a line, when it wasn't like a big crowd.
Yeah. Did people actually sprint to try and come over here? Did you see kind of like a rush?
I hope not. I think a lot of people getting over here were fast walking.
Yeah,
I didn't see full-on sprinting, but we capped the line around like 15 minutes.
Wow, 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that's crazy. So which one would you say was probably the most popular out of all the ones that released? Because I know we've got some Green Goblins, the Silver Surfers, the Magneto.
One of the most popular was the double pack. So on the far end there.
Oh yes.
Yeah, there was a Spider-Man and a Venom shoe, and it was the only pack that we had that had 2 pairs of sneakers in there. So there's 2 pairs of sneakers with one of these comic books.
Wise, or was it just the same as buying 2 pairs?
It was it was $350. So it was roughly around the same as if you were to buy 2 pairs. So the other ones were around $175. The Silver Surfers were $190. It kind of depended on the character.
This actually is more purple than I thought it was. Interesting. I personally think this one's my favorite, the Silver Surfer, but
They're pretty great.
It's great because it's kind of holographic. This is the Gel-Kayano, I believe, as well, which is really cool. This is one of my favorite ASICS silhouettes. And then we have the GT-2160. I've done this on my channel many times.
So this was the Green Goblin shoe.
Green Goblin. It's got an ombre effect. It's really nice. And of course we've got Ronnie Bag's last name on the back there. He's really subtle with branding, which I like.
Oh, really?
I'm really weird with branding. I don't like a lot of words on my sneakers, so this one is subtle. It's just a little bit of a hint of that on the back. The same with the Silver Surfer. Oh wait, the insole though. I just realized.
Yeah, there's images, there's things printed on the insoles there.
Wow, okay, so this one has a bit of a glittered effect on the KITH branding there. And then, is that just the planets on this one? Or do you have the actual Silver Surfer on the inside? Oh wait, you do have the Silver Surfer on the inside of this one. I don't know if you can see it, but it's the full Silver Surfer on the inside of this one. And then we have the Green Goblin on the inside of one of these. Maybe.
Yeah, it's like the pumpkin grenades.
Like pumpkin grenades on the inside. Oh wait, there. There we are. We got a little pumpkin popping through. Again, a little KITH branding on the inside. That's nice though that he actually sewed in. Can you see that sewn in tag? That's pretty unusual for an insole to have that.
Is that right?
Yeah. I mean, it'll drive the price point up on a sneaker a little bit more, but yeah, that's nice. And it's an aged effect even on the midsole on the Green Goblin. And as far as the comics, so tell me, is it random in each packaging? Will you know?
Yeah, so people were able to select which sneaker they wanted, but the comic was the random component. So the 4 that you see here were the 4 that could have been inserted into the box, and not all of them were encapsulated. So the ones you see here are authenticated by PSA, and they're in our brand new comic book holders, but some actually came not encapsulated. So these were among the more rarer variants that you would get.
Okay, so this, out of all of them, these 4 are the most rare ones. So this is the one you want to get in the box.
But there's also colorways for each one. If you see on the back wall here, there's all sorts of colors. Silver, gold, there's orange, red. It's not on here, blue, and then green. So that was another level of collectability here. And the 8 that you see here that are gold, these are the rarest of the variants that were possible.
The gold ones, okay.
So if you found one that was gold and also encapsulated in the PSA holder, that represented basically the pinnacle of what you could have received for the comic book.
Wow. And so as far as the sneaker, does it match the character as well?
Not always. It's
not
random.
always.
Yeah.
Okay, so it could have been any of them. Oh, that's even more stressful. I
I
thought
know,
you had a
I
higher
know.
chance of likelihood of getting your character.
Yeah,
but
random comic, but the characters do match the themes of the sneakers that are on
of the
display
sneakers,
here.
exactly. Who's your favorite character?
I'm a sucker for Spider-Man. I gotta go with Spider-Man.
I was gonna say, you're giving me Peter Parker vibes. I don't know, just a little
I get
bit.
that all the time.
Just a tad bit. The Magneto one, okay. This one's pretty cool. We've got Magneto on the inside as well. A little bit of an ombre color scheme. I think Ronnie was feeling ombre with these ones. A nice, like, gradient, kind of spray painted fix. This is the pack set that you were saying was probably what most people were excited for. This went for $350 retail.
That's correct.
Do you get 2 comic books inside as well?
It was 1 comic book, 2 pairs of sneakers.
Ah, but come on, Ronnie. You should have found the additional comic book for us there. This is sick, though. I mean, especially if you're a huge Spider-Man fan. I feel like this has become the signature shoe in general, specifically like the Air Jordan 1s. Have you seen the Spider-Man collab that everyone rocks at these events? I don't know if you're
I'm not a big sneakerhead, but
I
I take your word for it.
Walk by us and I'm
I bet they look pretty awesome.
Yeah, but this is, what a great color combination. And so this is both Venom and Spider-Man combined. Ooh, I don't know which one I like better, actually. I mean, I know which one you're going to choose, Spider-Man colorway, right?
Got to.
Yeah, we got the gradient. Actually, that's kind of nice 4th of July color scheme, too. Well, thank you so much. Really appreciate
thank you.
giving us
Definitely
a full
appreciate
tour.
Anytime.
And I'm sure everybody was pretty excited. Were they opening up their boxes right here after they purchased it immediately?
A couple people did. Most people ran off just giddy excitement and ran off into the...
I'm sure a lot of them got it for somebody as well. So that's probably, pretty funny.
Yeah.
I would love to have unboxed it, actually. If I could get up in the morning. I'm not a morning person. That was my problem.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's how you get all the exclusives here at Comic-Con. You gotta be there right at the start.
One day, I'm gonna get up early, though. Just not this year.